Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're gonna do some jumbo twists. I'm taking the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. I'll leave the name of it on the side, but we're just jumping right in. So yeah, we're gonna do jumbo twists today. I'm just conditioning my hair. It's already pre-parted. I have like a three-way mirror that I use when I part my hair. If you want a video on a parting, I can surely upload one. I'm going to take the Wet Line Extreme Gel and smooth that in my hair. For some reason, I don't know why, Edge Booster, all that stuff does not hold my hair down. I don't know what it is. It does not work for my hair. It's like my hair eats it. But okay, you're going to take the rubber band, loop the strand in between your hair, and then pull your hair tight so it goes close to your scalp. And then you just do like a rope twist. You turn each strand of hair and then you overlap them, and that's how you get the twist. All right, so I zoomed in a little bit closer so y'all could see better. I'm just putting the moisturizer and the gel, smoothing it through my hair. I'm detangling it at the same time because I didn't grab a comb. I was rushing because I had somewhere to go afterwards. I was on a deadline. But you take the rubber band, twist it around your hair, not too tight so you still have room to insert the braiding hair in there. You gotta have room for it. I really don't think it will work for smaller hair unless you use a crochet needle, like smaller twists. But to me, it don't look natural like that. So when we get towards the front, we're gonna do a different method because you don't really see the back, you see the front. So yeah, pull it tight so that it's secure. And you can always go through and cut the rubber bands once you're done, but it's up to you. I can't see the back of my head, so I don't know how to do it the same way as I'm going to do the front, but it works out. You're just going to add gel as you go and twist your hair. All right, for the front, it's this pretty much the same process except for how we're gonna secure the braiding hair into our hair. Same thing, just the leave-in conditioner. Top that off with the gel. Make sure you work it through when you're getting like the parts. Let me know down below if you have any recommendations for like a good edge control, because I can't find one. But anyway, you're going to split the hair in half, your hair in half. And I'm watching the girl do it as I'm filming this tutorial, so I got my computer in front of me. You're going to lay the braiding hair on top of yours. And the key is to make sure you got your hair at the root and you twist it. So you're doing like a rope twist. See how I got both of them, and I'm just twisting and twisting. And as you continue to do this style, I'm telling you, you're gonna get it so easily. I actually had to retouch it the second day, and I got it like muscle memory. It was so simple to do. So just keep practicing and you'll get it too. And there's some extra product in my hair, but that's fine. I added a lot of gel to my hair because it does not, like, I could put gel on it in the morning, and then by like 10 a.m. it looks like I put nothing in my hair. I don't know what it is. My hair like absorbs it. I don't know. But you're just gonna keep going, and you could part it different ways. Me, I prefer like a off center part. I don't feel a middle part suits my face too good. I just don't like the way it looks on me. But all in all, I had about maybe no more than 25 twists on my head. So the parting is really not that difficult. You won't be here all day doing this. It took about 2 hours to do. So it's quick, and it's an easy protective style. I'm gonna take some edge control and just lay my edges down. I've seen some people like relax their edges, but I'm not that committed to having laid edges. It's not that deep for me. But yeah, this is how it's gonna come out. All right, that's the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what are some of your favorite protective styles, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.